Yeah, I mean, I did size down a little bit on it when it closed below the 20-day, but I still kept most of my shares because I'm trying to use when a stock comes out of such a base like DXCM did, like a long, great looking base and great earnings. I'm not gonna I really try to hold it and try to use the weekly moving averages. Like right now, I'm using the weekly moving averages as my stops, like the 10 weekly and the 20 weekly. So it depends. But yeah, in this case, I used the weekly. But yeah, I did size down a little bit, if I remember correctly. For example, the say was, for example, I'm not going to use the weekly moving averages because they're way lower. It's an extended stock, so I'm going to use the daily. If it starts moving higher and these 10 and 20-day moving averages catch up, I'm going to use those moving averages. So it depends on the situation. Like AVLR, this thing came out of a long base. I'm not using the daily moving averages. I'm using the weekly because this thing, when they come out of long solid bases, you want to give them more room rather than something that's already extended, like AYX example. And VU2, this is also I'm using the weekly chart. Or actually, I did move my stop up a little bit because it's such a slow stock. I don't want to hold a slow moving stock. If it's gonna retest lower, I just want to get stopped out quickly so I can move on. So it all depends on the situation. These kinds of small cap stocks like Plug and BLD, I'm obviously using the daily because these are not the institutional quality stocks. These are like, they either go up 50, 100% really quick or they don't trade the same way. Like small caps and large caps don't trade the same way. Alibaba, I'm using the weekly chart, like the weekly 20 BLDP. This is a daily only. Yeah, so it all depends on the situation and the stock. You have to adapt to every stock is different, every sector is different. Like a lot of gold stocks have been breaking out lately, but I've been passing on them. I don't even want to touch them. They're so hard to trade. They're disgustingly difficult to trade sometimes because they are more based on the commodity than fundamentals.